Your vehicle's cooling system really has to work hard. Everything's fine when the system is new and the radiator core tubes are clean and free-flowing. But look how thin these tubes are, and over time they can become contaminated and clogged. Introducing the new Cooling System Flusher from Laser Tools. It's the traditional method of radiator flushing using clean water, but now with the added power of the Workshop compressed air supply. Connect up to a suitable hose or port on the radiator. Attach the water hose and you're ready to go. This is the mains water pressure, but press the trigger and we have full blast pressure flushing. Look at that, what a difference. Any scale or corrosion debris will be flushed right out, and ideal for classic cars. The flusher features 5 common pipe size connections from 19mm up to 40mm. Use it to clean clogged up systems or to remove contaminated coolant after a head gasket change. The Coolant System Flusher from Laser Tools. Available now.